Senator Loren Legarda will continue to push for pro-women and pro-environment measures. The re-election as senator was the guest of honor at the launching of the Gawad Medalyang Ginto 2013 in Malolos, Bulacan. Jackie Sai reports.
Aside from the Holy Week, the month of March is also dedicated to the women of the world. This is why Senator Loren Legarda was chosen to be the guest speaker of Panlalawigang Komisyon Babaihan ng Bulacan. The Gawad Medalyang Ginto 2013 was launched with the theme Kababaihan Gabay sa Pagtahak sa Tuwid na Daan in Malolos, Bulacan. The senator took the opportunity to express her platform for the people of Bulacan.
Sinisikap ko at isusulong ko ang panukalang batas na magkakaroon man lang ang CCT family na pinakamahirap na Pilipino na isa man lang college scholarship sa state university or college ng bawat mahirap na pamilyang Pilipino.
Meanwhile, Senator Loren is also known for pushing programs to care for our environment. Therefore, the senator recognized not only the beauty of bags made from recycled materials, but also its benefit to the environment.
Ipatupad ang ating mga batas, lalo na tungkol sa kabuhayan, dahil pag merong pagkakakitaan ng babae, gaya ng mga ginagawang mga bag na ito, gawa naman sa basura, gawa sa lumang periodiko, maaaring pagkakitaan. Kaya walang dahilan kung bakit kailangan maghirap, dahil meron naman mga batas gaya ng aking barangay kabuhayan law at yung micro and small and medium enterprises law. Meron tayong mga batas, kailangan lang mapatupad.
For People's Television, Jackie Sai.